my name is Arpita and I welcome you all back to my channel Flights of Fantasy. After nearly 2 months hiatus due to the nationwide COVID-19 lockdown, domestic passengers flights have finally resumed services. The Health Ministry issued guidelines for air travelers clarifying that only passengers without COVID-19 symptoms will be allowed to fly, and on arrival will have to self-monitor their health for 14 days. The ministry has given state government an upper hand in developing their own protocols with regard to quarantine and isolation as per their assessment of the situation. So before you plan to travel, let's go through the complete guidelines of the city, state you are heading to and comply with the same to avoid any hassles. So without any further ado, let's begin with the video. Welcome back, guys. In today's video, we shall talk about the quarantine rules for specific states which falls under the North Zone. So we'll talk about each state specifically, whichever falls under this particular zone. So let's get started, guys. First, let's talk about Delhi. So while you arrive into Delhi, COVID test is not required. So people who are flying into Delhi does not have to be in possession of a COVID test, a COVID negative test. Thermal screening will definitely be done for all passengers upon arrival. Now let's talk about the international passengers. Now international passengers, whoever is taking up international flight and arriving into Delhi would be subjected to 7 days of institutional quarantine at government facility at no charge or paid quarantine at designated hotels. Now upon the finishing of the 7 days of institutional quarantine, they would be subjected to 7 days of home quarantine. Now let's talk about the domestic passengers. For domestic passengers, it is only a 14 days of home quarantine. So yes, there's no institutional quarantine, but for 14 days, you will have to home quarantine yourself. However, there is no quarantine for business and corporate travelers. Arogya Setu app is mandatory for all passengers to have them downloaded on their phone upon arrival. So upon arrival, you should be having Arogya Setu app downloaded on your phone. Now let's talk about the state Haryana. Again, for Haryana, COVID negative test is not required. However, thermal screening will be conducted for passengers upon arrival. Again, for passengers, it is mandatory to have Arogya Setu app on their phone upon arrival. And quarantine rules, it's a mandatory 14 days of home quarantine. So yes, for passengers who are coming into Haryana, there is no institutional quarantine. However, for passengers, the passengers have to be subjecting themselves to 14 days of home quarantine. And apart from that, there is an airport and state obligation for Haryana, which is suitable COVID-19 precautionary measure announcement to be made at the airport. Let's talk about Himachal Pradesh, guys. COVID test is again not mandatory. However, thermal screening will be done for all passengers upon arrival. All passengers must download the Arogya Setu app on arrival. There is one more thing that you need to make a note of, which is entry-exit from the state borders will be only allowed from 6 a.m. in the morning to 8 p.m. in the evening. Please remember, the state entry borders will only be open from 6 a.m. till 8 p.m. Now let's talk about the quarantine rules. 14 days of institutional quarantine for passengers arriving from any red zone district which is outside of Himachal Pradesh, or passengers having influenza-like illness, symptoms irrespective of the zone from where they are arriving. Now, the second clause is 14 days of home quarantine for passengers arriving from any red zone district outside of Himachal Pradesh and are carrying COVID-19 negative test reports from ICMR authorized lab, which should not be older than 48 hours from the date of departure. The next one is Jammu and Kashmir. So all the passengers arriving into Jammu and Kashmir, a COVID-19 test is mandatory for all the passengers except for defense personnel. Let's talk about the quarantine rule. Institutional quarantine for all passengers till test results are available. Now, if test results are positive, they will be sent to COVID facility or hospital for treatment and recovery. If test results are negative, mandatory home quarantine for 14 days from the date of testing. Now, exception to quarantine, there are a couple of categories which are exempted from quarantine. One is the defense personnel, the second being business travelers with confirmed return ticket or onward ticket within 4 days of arrival and confirmed hotel reservation. Passengers with RT-PCR negative test report from ICMR authorized lab which should not be older than 48 hours from the date of arrival. No quarantine for business travelers with confirmed return or onward ticket within 4 days of arrival and confirmed hotel reservation. Now, for more details, I would advise please visit the state government website for detailed quarantine regulation. Now, passengers are also required to fill up the ICMR health form upon arrival. Passenger is required to undergo COVID-19 test at the airport, and all passengers must be in possession of the Arogya Setu app. Now, it is the airline obligation to inform all the passengers arriving into Jammu and Kashmir that they have to undergo a COVID-19 test. That's about Jammu and Kashmir. Now, let's talk about Madhya Pradesh. For Madhya Pradesh, thermal screening and health profiling shall be done upon arrival. If passenger is found symptomatic, COVID test has to be performed. Let's talk about quarantine rules. Institutional quarantine till the test result is available. If the test result is positive, passenger shall be sent to COVID care center, post which passenger may be required to do a retest followed by home quarantine as deemed fit by the competent authorities. If the result is found negative, further institutional or home quarantine is not required. No quarantine for business and corporate travelers here. Now, passengers are required to undergo a COVID-19 test if it is advised by the health authorities upon arrival into Madhya Pradesh. Now, all passengers again needs to be having Arogya Setu app on their mobile phone. Thermal screening and health profiling shall be done upon arrival into Madhya Pradesh. If passenger is found symptomatic, only then the COVID test has to be performed. Now let's talk about Punjab. Punjab, I'm going to be talking about two particular places. One is your Amritsar and the second one is Chandigarh. First, let's talk about Amritsar. Now in Amritsar, COVID-19 test shall be performed on a random basis. Thermal screening will be conducted for all the passengers arriving into Amritsar. Now, for international passengers, 7 days of institutional quarantine followed by 7 days of home quarantine. And for domestic passengers, 14 days of home quarantine. Again, no quarantine requirement for corporate or business travelers. Now, passenger obligation, all passengers must download the Arogya Setu app. All passengers must register on Kova Punjab app before commencing their journey. Boarding pass shall be considered as e-pass for movement to and from airport during curfew period, Saturday, Sunday and public holidays. Kova Punjab app registration has to be checked for every passenger or shall be checked for every passenger upon arriving into Amritsar. Now let's talk about Chandigarh. For Chandigarh, COVID-19 test again will be performed on random basis for all passengers. Thermal screening will be done for all passengers. Now let's talk about quarantine rules. Now, if the test result is positive for passengers, then the passenger will be shifted to an isolation center. 14 days of home quarantine for all asymptomatic passengers traveling to Punjab, no quarantine for business or corporate travelers. Now, passengers are required to fill up the health declaration form upon arrival. Passengers are required to undergo COVID-19 test as directed by the health authorities at the airport. All passengers must again be having Arogya Setu app on their mobile phone. Now, all passengers will also have to be registering themselves on Kova Punjab app before commencing their journey. Now, airline obligation constitutes of customers to be informed about the COVID-19 arrival process before boarding. The airline has to ensure that all other arriving passengers not belonging to Punjab, name, address and mobile numbers to be provided to the station managers to provide arriving passengers list to nodal officer in advance. That is all about Chandigarh. Now let's talk about Uttar Pradesh, which consists of places like Lucknow, Varanasi, Gorakhpur and Allahabad. Now passengers will be subjected to thermal screening upon arrival. Let's talk about quarantine rules. 7 days of institutional quarantine followed by 7 days of home quarantine for all passengers traveling through an international flight. Domestic passengers will be subjected to 14 days of home quarantine. Now there is a little bit of exception to quarantine. Passengers exiting Uttar Pradesh within 7 days of arrival shall be exempted from mandatory quarantine subject to validation of return or onward travel. Passenger will need to register on a state website before they exit the arrival hall using the web or the phone number that I'm going to be talking to you right now. That's https://reg.upcovid.in, or you can call into 1800-180-5145. Passengers exiting Uttar Pradesh within 7 days of arrival shall be exempted from mandatory quarantine subject to validation of return or onward travel. Passengers should mandatorily have the Arogya Setu app on their mobile phone. And yes, validation of registration shall be performed before allowing the passengers to exit the arrival hall, and thermal screening is a part of mandatory process upon arrival into this state as well. We come to Uttarakhand now. So Dehradun, upon arrival into Dehradun, COVID tests shall be conducted on random basis. Thermal screening should be conducted for all passengers arriving into Dehradun. However, let's talk about the quarantine rules. 7 days of institutional quarantine for passengers arriving from high-load COVID-19 infected cities. Institutional quarantine can be done at government facility without any charges or at designated hotels with applicable charges. Institutional quarantine shall be followed by 14 days of home quarantine. List of high-load COVID infected cities can be found on the state government website. No quarantine again for business or corporate traveler. Now, passenger obligation, all passenger traveling to Uttarakhand needs to register on the state website. I will tell you the state website. It is https://dslservices.in/Uttarakhand-migrant-registration.php. Now, airline obligation is airline has to be providing the arrival departure passenger manifest to the state authorities. Like I said, validation of registration shall be performed before allowing the passengers to exit from the arrival hall. So these are your state quarantine rules for every state that falls under the northern zone. I'm going to be sharing the link below in the description box, which will give you more insight. Besides that, there are few points that you need to remember. Do not forget to visit the particular state website before traveling, number one. Number two, Arogya Setu app is mandatory for you to download upon traveling. That's something which is mandatory, and you will have to make sure that your every stage will have a thermal screening done for you upon arrival. So please make sure that if you are down with fever or if you have cold and flu, please avoid traveling at this point in time. So with this, guys, I come to an end of this video. Next week I'm going to be back with you with the next zone. We'll talk about the East Zone in my next video. So if you like this video, please like the video and subscribe to my channel. And yes, do not forget to share it with your family and friends. I'm going to be back with you very soon. Till then, you stay happy and healthy. This is Arpita signing off from Flight.